In the center, baby Hanuman is cradled by his mother, Anjana, glowing with divine energy. A gentle breeze signals Pawan Dev's presence as he bestows his divine essence upon Hanuman. Anjana cradles her divine child, her heart overflowing with love and gratitude. Celestial figures watch from the heavens as Hanuman radiates divine energy. Hanuman gazes at the glowing sun, mistaking it for a ripe fruit. With boundless energy, Hanuman soars into the sky, reaching for the sun. Hanuman nears the blinding sun, its brilliance mesmerizing him. Suddenly, Hanuman hesitates, sensing the overwhelming heat of the sun. Indra, enraged, raises his Vajra, preparing to strike the audacious Hanuman. A fierce bolt of lightning strikes Hanuman, sending shock waves through the sky. Hanuman plummets from the heavens, spiraling toward the earth. Hanuman crashes into the ground, forming a crater, his divine aura still glowing faintly. The wind stills as the atmosphere says, sensing Pawan Dev's brewing wrath. Pawan Dev appears, his fury shaking the heavens as clouds swirl. With a raised hand, Pawan Dev halts all winds, leaving the world in eerie silence. As the winds return, peace is restored, but Pawan Dev's fury lingers in the air. Brahma grants Hanuman immortality, surrounding him with divine golden light. Indra bestows unmatched strength upon Hanuman, filling him with celestial energy. Varun's divine waters embrace Hanuman, making him invincible in water. Surya's wisdom shines upon Hanuman, filling his mind with supreme knowledge. In a celestial temple of light, sacred scriptures float mid-air, pulsating with divine energy, the gateway to ultimate wisdom. Hanuman, deep in meditation, absorbs the knowledge of the Vedas, as divine scriptures glow and turn on their own, revealing eternal truths. The sun god, Surya, blesses Hanuman with supreme wisdom, a radiant beam linking their souls as sacred texts shine with newfound brilliance with eyes glowing golden. Hanuman absorbs the Vedas into his being, his aura radiates divine knowledge, forever enlightened. In a tranquil forest, ancient rishis meditate in deep wisdom, their presence merging with the energy of the divine cosmos. Young Hanuman playfully moves among the rishis, his divine energy disrupting their meditation, unaware of the lessons soon to come. The rishis, with kindness and wisdom, place a gentle curse upon Hanuman, dimming his powers to teach him humility and restraint. Now humbled, Hanuman bows in reverence, his divine glow softened, his journey of rediscovery through devotion has begun. Under a grand banyan tree, Hanuman, wise and radiant, gathers sages, animals, and disciples, ready to impart the eternal lessons of life. With wisdom in his eyes, Hanuman speaks of humility, as his disciples, from vanaras to birds, listen with devotion and admiration. Placing his hand on his heart, Hanuman radiates devotion, inspiring his disciples to embrace faith, love, and unwavering dedication. With a final blessing, Hanuman smiles as the forest shimmers, nature itself acknowledging his timeless wisdom and eternal teachings.